God.
How's that?
Don't stop it.
I don't have any control over that.
That's the oil pump gear, huh?
That's it running. Yes.
Whoa.
Okay, and so I
And
want
he's
to
making sure that they fit right.
make sure that they drove together well. All right.
So tell us about how you made this thing, Steve.
Okay, so this is it. This is it actually being made. So it might be kind of hard to deal with.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Looks blank.
That's a photograph. That's a photograph.
Well, this is kind of a challenge for you, isn't it, Steve?
You know, I've made gears before, but I never had to make the tool to make the gear. I wanted to go back to the back over there, and maybe I didn't get time to get that done. That's it actually being cut. See, that's the hob working.
I see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
Hob.
yeah, they yeah, you know, they're a standard. They, you know,
So what were you just talking about, this, a double thing or something
Yeah,
here?
it's
Tell
a
me about
double
that.
lead.
We might want a photograph. I mean, a still. Can you
a double
copy
lead.
that?
Yeah, I'll do a still too.
This is called a worm screw,
Yeah.
and this is a worm gear or a worm wheel, and they go together as a mate. And this here, that dishing right there, is called a single envelope worm screw. And then you use this. See, these here was an exact duplicate of the worm, and then you cut grooves into it, and then you take and you grind just a little bit. I ground about 10 thousandths off leading side of it, and then I heated it up and quenched it in oil to harden it.
So what was that double thing you were talking about?
The double lead,
Double lead, what does that mean?
it means it has a start. Okay, this start right here,
Yeah.
that is not this thread, it's this thread.
See, it's got two places to start.
Oh,
Yeah, and
Weird.
the advantage of that is
Ah.
you can get twice the travel in a shorter amount of time.
oh,
If you see what I'm saying?
sort of.
Yes. You take a quarter 20 bolt. That's a standard bolt.
Right.
Okay. So if you made it a quarter 10 bolt, okay, it would screw in twice as fast because it wouldn't take as many turns to make it in,
Yeah.
but then it wouldn't have the strength. So you put a second start on it, put them right in the middle. Now it's 20 threads per inch, but 2 starts. And you know where you see those a lot?
Where?
Pianos, when they turn the
Right.
piano, you know how quick they come up?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got more than one start. Yes.
That's wonderful, Steve.
Yeah,
And this is the old one here. Huh?
that's the old gear, yeah, it's got some, it had some spots in there, I can't remember where they were, where
Well,
they
you keep the.
were welded up, right there. So I thought I'd give this to you, because I got no use for it.
The hob.
Well, we'll use it for a display. Go with a hob.
Yeah, that's called a hob. By rights, this is supposed to be gashed with the same tooth cutter that you'd cut that with. But I wasn't gonna buy one. It's another $300. You know, when this actually does most of the work. But what you typically do is you set the thing up, you set it at an angle, and then you run a gear cutter through it. You actually run the gear cutter this way. You never run it through it, but you cut it down this way. And because if you look at it, it's dished on the bottom just as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be dished. It's dished on the top, it's dished on the bottom.
That's yours.
Okay,
Did you
Steve,
find
thanks a
what you
lot.
wanted?
You bet.
I'm gonna put this on the YouTube channel.
Okay.
Have you been watching my videos, Steve?
I only have dial-up.
Oh, it'd take forever then, wouldn't it?
He's been putting it on YouTube, and everybody in the country can see what we're doing with the
And
Stevens-Duryea.
there's 8 people that watch it.
Let me take a look at it. I'll look at it.